Right now, your dog is somewhere in your house, maybe sleeping, maybe watching the door, just sitting there, maybe just sitting near you for no reason you can explain, no reason at all. And if someone asked you, what does your dog think about you? You'd probably say, they love me, they're loyal, they're happy when I'm home. But, but what if that's not even close to the full picture? What if your dog's mind contains something about you, something you've never even considered, something science only recently figured out how to measure? Your dog knows what you look like, not just your smell, not just your voice, your actual face. In 2015, researchers at the University of Padova showed dogs' photographs, human faces, dog faces, objects, while scanning their brains, and the results were very clear. Dogs have a specific region of the brain dedicated entirely to processing faces, not just any faces, human faces. Your face. Dogs evolved alongside humans for so long, somewhere between 15,000 and 40,000 years, that reading our faces became a survival skill. The dogs that couldn't read human expressions didn't get fed, didn't get protected, didn't survive. The ones that could, did, and their descendants are lying on your couch right now, looking at your face, with a brain that was literally shaped by you. Now, here's where it gets unsettling. Your dog doesn't just recognize you, they know things about you, things you haven't told anyone. When your stress levels spike, your body releases cortisol. It exits through your sweat. To you, that's invisible. To your dog, it's as obvious as a flashing red light. A dog's nose contains 300 million olfactory receptors. Humans? Around 6 million. The part of their brain dedicated to processing smell is proportionally 40 times larger than yours. 40 times. In 2019, researchers at Queen's University Belfast trained dogs to identify the smell of human stress, not behavior, not body language, just the chemical signature of anxiety in sweat and breath. The dogs got it right, 93.8% of the time. Your dog knows when you're anxious, before you've processed it yourself. They know when something is wrong, before you've said a single word, and they've known this about you since the very first week you brought them home. In 2016, a team at Eötvös Loránd University in Budapest put dogs inside MRI machines, fully awake, fully conscious, and played them words in different tones, praise words in praising tones, neutral words in neutral tones, and then praise words in neutral tones, neutral words in praising tones. What they found shocked everyone. Dogs process meaning and tone in different hemispheres, but exactly like humans do. Left hemisphere, words; right hemisphere, emotional tone. And here's the part that really matters. Dogs only showed real reward activation when both matched. You can't fake it with your dog. They know the difference between you meaning it and you just saying it. Now, there's a version of this story where your dog just loves whoever feeds them. That version is wrong. In 2015, neuroscientist Gregory Burns published results from years of MRI studies on dogs at Emory University. When dogs smelled the scent of their owner versus a stranger versus another dog, only the owner's scent activated the caudate nucleus on the brain's reward center. Not food, not toys. You. Your specific smell triggered the same region of the brain that activates in humans when they see someone they love. And when you leave. A 2021 study from Stockholm University found that dogs showed stress behaviors that scaled with how long they'd been separated from their owner. Not any human, specifically their owner. The longer you were gone, the more intense the greeting when you came back. So, what does all of this add up to? Your dog has a face recognition system built for you, a chemical reading system that tracks your emotional state in real time, a language processing system that detects when your words and feelings don't match, and a reward system that lights up specifically for you and nobody else. You occupy a category in your dog's mind with no other members. Not quite owner, not quite parent, not quite pack leader. Something that took 40,000 years of evolution to create. A bond so specific that it rewired two species simultaneously. In every single study, the brain scans, the scent experiments, the language tests, dogs performed better, responded more strongly, showed more brain activity for their owner than for any other stimulus tested. More than food in some cases, more than other dogs, more than anything else in their environment. You are, scientifically speaking, the most important thing in your dog's world. Not one of the most important things, the most important thing. And they have been building that picture of you silently, constantly, from thousands of tiny moments since the very first day you met. The next time your dog looks up at you for no reason, just turns their head and finds your eyes from across the room, you'll know what's happening now. They're not looking for food or a walk or a command. They're looking at the thing their brain was shaped to find, the face their ancestors learned to read over 40,000 years, the smell their nose tracks without even trying, the voice their brain splits into two channels just to understand completely. They're looking at you, and somewhere in that small, extraordinary mind, they know exactly who you are. If this changed the way you see your dog even slightly, you know what to do. There's a lot more where this came from.